WD-101F is a creative slim light box with a fabric face. Its thickness is only 27 mm. It uses two corner connectors at each corner. Thus, the mitred joint corners will be very nice and stable. By using advanced laser micro-dot engraving light guide panel, its illumination is high bright and very even without dim area and stick. Let's install the fabric graphic. Insert the silicone strips in the gloves on the frame. Have a look at its back. Why comes out from the back or side? Turn it on. Its illuminating is perfect. Let's open a corner and see the effect again.